Hello and welcome to Shopping with Cheryl. I'm Cheryl and I brought my office chair outside today because my office is dark and you wouldn't be able to see it that well. So I wanted to bring it outside so I could show it to you. This is by Flash Furniture. And as far as my office goes, it's not very fancy, but my chair looks fancy. So that is why I wanted to show it to you. Also, there will be an affiliate link down below in the description if you want to go check it out. If you purchase anything, I may make a commission. Get all that out of the way. So, anywho, this chair, it does have the rocking, goes up and down. It's called Leather Soft. So, it does feel really expensive. It feels like leather, even though it's not really. Feels like it and looks like it though. So as far as the seat goes, it is 19.5 inches wide and 19.5 inches from the back to the front. Now the chair back itself, from the seat where you sit your butt up to here, is 24 inches. So I know some people in the descriptions and the reviews, they said, oh, it's not big enough. So if you're a bigger person and you might need a wider chair, that's you. I don't know. So for me, this is great. So want to take a closer look at it because the chrome is really nice. It's got chrome legs and it's got nice wheels on it. So come on in. We'll take a closer look. All right. As I said, it looks like leather. It feels like leather. It's just really nice, and it feels expensive. And there are the chrome. It comes in pieces. You have to put the chrome armrest on. That's not a real big deal. Down here you do have where you can raise and lower it. You also have this where you can loosen it so it rocks. It doesn't lean back too far, just a little bit. And there are the legs and the wheels. It's pretty easy to put together, doesn't take but a few minutes, and it looks really nice. Looks nicer out here than in my dark office, I'll tell you that. So there you have it. My office chair. Don't I look professional? Smart? Like I know what I'm doing? Surely it adds something. Come on, guys. But I wanted to show it to you. Like I said, there's a link down below. There's also a link to my Amazon Live. You can check me out over there. Click the follow button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Hit the sub button here. And if you're looking for a cool office chair to make you feel a little classy, even when you're not, this might be just what you need.